Hi guys, I'm Diana and you're watching It's About Time Now. In this video we're going to show you Grassy Pond Family Camp up here outside of Valdosta, Georgia. In this video we're headed for another adventure. We're at Grassy Pond Family Camp outside of Valdosta, Georgia. Let's get started. Brad and I would like to say welcome and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that notification bell and that subscribe button. Okay, so we're super excited. We've loaded up the rig and we are heading up to Georgia today. And this is just last minute items. We've already unplugged from the house and the rig is on. And we've gone ahead and put sapphire and sand in here, so I'll show you that. Yes, and now we're just waiting on Brad to come in. All right, so we are all finally in the rig, getting ready to head up to Georgia today. So it's travel day, and we spent yesterday packing it all up. So we just had a few last minute items today. So let's get to this.
All right, talk to you later. So we're just north of Tampa now on I-75, heading out to our first destination tonight. And I received a call from an old friend of mine, Ed. Ed, I want to give you a shout out and say hi. Excited to find out that you bought yourself a tow behind and you'd been watching some of our videos. And I never really thought myself an influencer, but you like my generator videos, so more power to you. Keep it going. Get out there and see something. We'll talk to you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Main office.
Ta-da.
Can I get out of here?
I'm thinking you can, since they send all the RVs this direction. But Brad is in there checking us in. This is the Air Force, Moody Air Force Base recreation area. Hey, Sapphire. Well, I think we're going to have a good time here. She's still scoping things out. Alright, so we're going to take a little tour to get to our campsite. Look at those beautiful trees with all that Spanish moss. Wow.
Plenty of places to walk the poochies, plenty of bags,
That's nice.
drop points, fields. Don't feel bad walking them in that at all.
I know. This is really nice. We're really excited to find out that Grassy Pond is open to the public.
And that's the exit.
Yes. Grassy Pond Campground has 38 RV sites as well as cabins, cottages, and tent sites. The sites are full hookup with electric, water, and sewer, and there is a handicap site. Okay, so that's a bathhouse right there?
I think
it
bathhouse.
is. Yep. And so this is our turn.
That's us right there.
Yep, we're
32.
going to be back inside. Ooh, gravel.
Yeah, it's all right. Gravel's not a problem.
Oh, they have like a clam
Yeah.
tent room. Yep, 32. That's where we're going.
I think that's a patio.
Behind our campsite, there was a 1 mile nature trail. There were also 2 more trails on the other side of Grassy Pond. So the campground does have a laundry room, and it happens to be right across from our campsite. This is just one of the screened-in pavilions they have. So Grassy Pond has plenty of cabins and picnic shelters, basketball court. There's a pool, which is empty at the moment. Playgrounds. They actually have 2 lakes.
2 ponds.
2 ponds. So I want to show you what we thought was amazing. And that is out here. Take a look at how big those lilies are. Look at that. Well, those lily pads really are big.
Mother used to have some of those right there. I never knew what they were. To be honest, I'm still not sure what they are.
I think.
Lily pad seeds?
It's really neat that they have fishing boats, john boats, and a pontoon boat, as well as canoes and pedal boats available for rent. So a neat feature that's here is the boat ramp. Overall, this is a quiet, secluded campground in southern Georgia. Great for a relaxing weekend and ideal for fishermen. All right, everybody, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you've been here before, let us know down in the comments. And remember, it's about time now because tomorrow is not guaranteed.